Yes. So today in this programming example, let us learn about the accessing of individual elements of an array. So in today's programming example, we will read two single dimensional arrays from keyboard. We will add the values of each element from keyboard, and then we display matrix A, matrix B and matrix which is A matrix plus B matrix. Let us see it today. Okay. So here in this program I have defined two single dimensional arrays A and B with 5 elements each. Using this for loop, I am reading the values of the elements of array A. Okay. So as we have discussed in the previous program, that I am prompting the user to enter the values of A0, A1, A2, A3 like that. Then in the next part of it, that in this part I am reading the values of matrix B from keyboard. Again here I am prompting as well as I am reading the values from keyboard. Okay. Then in this portion I am displaying the array A, I am displaying the array B in this portion, and in the last portion I am going for displaying the array A plus B, where I am adding the elements of A to the elements of B. Okay. It is respective addition, that A0 will be added to B0, A1 will be added to B1, A2 will be added to B2, like that it continues. Okay. Now let us see the execution of this program. Let us first store this program, Alt F, then save, then we will go for compiling, Alt C, then we will go for running the program, Alt R. Okay. So now it is prompting us to enter the value of A0. Now I will give the value of A0 equal to 1. A1 equal to, let us say 2, A3 equal to 4, A5 equal to, let us say again A3 equal to 4, A4 equal to, let us say we will enter 5, 1, 2, 4, 4, 5. Okay. Now it is asking for, it is prompting us for entering the value of B0. Let us give it as 2. B1, I will give all of them equal to 2. Okay. 2, 2, 2, 2. Now see that I have entered A0 equal to 1, B0 equal to 2, addition of these two is equal to 3, A0 plus B0 equal to 3, A2 is 2, B2 is 2, so the addition is 4. Then we have array, that is A2 equal to 4, B2 equal to 2, 6, A3 equal to 4, B3 equal to 2, that is 6. A4 equal to 5 and B4 equal to 2, so the addition can be seen on the screen. Okay. Now let us see how can I modify the value of an individual element. Okay. So for this particularly, let us say I am interested in multiplying the value of A5 by 10. Okay. Now let us see how it works out. Okay. So now here I will make it as A4, that is last one, A4 equal to, make it as A4, that is earlier value of A4, then let us say multiply it by, let us take some value A10. So now let us see this, how this gets executed. Let us save this program. Let us compile this program. Now let us run this program. Okay. For simplicity, let us enter all the values of arrays of A. So all 5 values I have entered them as 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now I will enter the values of B. For simplicity, let us make them as all of them equal to 2, 2. Here you see that fifth element, that is A4, I have multiplied by 10. I have entered it as a 1, but I have multiplied it by 10. 1 into 10 is 10. That can be easily seen on the screen that it is multiplied by 10. After addition, that is A4 plus B4, now it becomes equal to 12. Okay. So like this, we can access any individual element of any array. Okay. Now let us take one more different case. Here what I will do is, I will go for replacing the value of B array B4, or let us take it as B2. Okay. This I will replace it by A4 multiplied by 10. Okay. So we can read the elements of A and we can put it in B also. Okay. So like say for example, let us run this program and let us see the effect. So once again, save this program, compile this program, and then run this program. Okay. See, it is asking again, for the sake of simplicity, let me enter all the elements of array A as 3, 3, 3. It can be different values, but for the simplicity sake, I have entered all the elements of A equal to 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. I will now enter the values of B as 2, 2, 2. All the elements I will enter them as 2. Now you can see what we have done is we have replaced B2 by A4 multiplied by 10. Okay. So A4 is 3. 3 multiplied by 10, it is 30. Now you can see that in array B, that third element, that is B2, is now 30. Actually we have entered that as 2. All the elements of array B we have entered as 2, 2, 2, 2. But now you will find that B2 is replaced by 30. Why? We have written that expression that B2 equal to A4 multiplied by 10. A4 is 3. 3 multiplied by 10 is 30. That you can see that in array B, third element, that is B2, is replaced by 30. Like this, we can go for replacing any value, any element of any array by any value. Okay. Like say, particularly, I can modify any element, but properly we should have them, we should access them by giving the index number, that is in the square bracket. Properly we should mention the element number. So that is how we can go for adding, multiplication, or anything can be carried on. Okay. So in the next lecture we will see that we'll go for getting the values of elements of a two-dimensional array. Okay. In that case, what we will do is we will have two arrays of two dimension, and we will add them together and we will form a third array, which is again a two-dimensional array. In the next programming example, we will see that how we can go for the two-dimensional arrays. Okay, so thank you.